Today, we're not just talking about that dream home, we're building the roadmap to it. So lace up your boots, pack up your courage, and let's go house hunting for your soul. The desire to be a homeowner is real. Welcome to Epic Spotlight. I'm Dante Royster. Here's the truth. My friends, the desire to own a home is as primal as the desire for shelter back when we lived in caves. Most of us will, at some time in our lives, desire to have a place of our own where we can put down our roots and not deal with landlords and rent increases ever again. Often, driven by a desire for independence, freedom, self-expression, control of one's environment, and a wish to build equity in real estate over time compels us. First-time homebuyers flood the market once they have financial means to do so. No landlords raising your rent just because their kids want braces. No security deposits lost because a carpet looked a little funny. Just freedom, pure, audacious freedom. Now, millennials, you beautiful avocado toast buying warriors, you took a little longer to join the party since the average age of a first-time homebuyer is now 38. But hey, you're here now and you're the life of it. Over 35% of home purchases are yours, and it's about time. Because if there's one investment that's been steady as a heartbeat through the chaos of human existence, it's residential real estate. It's the tortoise, not the hare, slow and steady and unstoppable. Now, I recently did a video called Home Buying 101 from pre-approvals to key in hands. That video is right over there. But you know what? I realized something. The mortgage process is less like a straight road trip and more like a hike through the Grand Canyon. There are twists and turns, pit stops, occasional mute rides, maybe a few tears, definitely some laughs, and you need a guide who knows the landmarks. That's why I'm here. This is your story, and I'm here to guide you on the path to home ownership. People from Texas, Michigan, Indiana, Illinois, just to name a few, are calling me and like, Dante, man, give me the roadmap. How are we going to get this done? And I get it. When you're about to take a trip in unknown territory, you want to know where the river crossings are, where are the rattlesnakes. Am I right? So I'm here to guide you, and this is going to be our steps along the way. Listen. The real first step isn't looking at pretty houses on Zillow at 2 a.m., though we all do it. It's asking yourself, where do I want my life to happen? Where do I want to rest my head at night? Where will my kids grow up and lose their teeth and build forts and graduate? Where will I grill steaks, hang Christmas lights, or yell at squirrels, get off my porch? This isn't just buying walls and windows, it's buying a future. Maybe you care about a great school district. Maybe you want to be closer to your church, your mosque, your temple, your community. Maybe you're tired of your kid having to take a bus to take another bus to get to school. And you want to end that madness. This part, the soul searching part, matters more than the math. Buying a house is like marriage. Sure, you could swipe right on a bunch of cute kitchens, but if you don't know what you're truly looking for, you might wake up in 6 months wondering, what life decisions got me here? Picking a shag carpet? Crying into mismatched tile backsplash? So before you even glance at a mortgage calculator, ask yourself, what does this home even look like to me? Because home ownership is power. It's pride. It's a community. It's financial growth too. Every mortgage payment is a tiny investment in yourself, like putting little gold coins in your future piggy bank. And here's the kicker, real estate is the only investment you can actually live in inside while it appreciates. Try doing that with stocks. Go ahead, try moving into your 401k. Spoiler alert, it's cold in there, and the size fluctuates, so good luck with that. Homeownership builds equity, like stacking invisible bricks of wealth under your very feet. And guess what? As time goes on, while your property quietly gains value, you get to live there, love there, laugh there. That's the kind of 2-for-1 special I can get behind. Now, let's be real. Sometimes life will nudge you to make moves. Maybe you need an upgrade. Maybe you're expanding your family and need another bedroom for a tiny human who'll never sleep again. Maybe you're downsizing after kids leave and go off to college. Or you're downsizing stuff after realizing no one needs 6 sets of china for special occasions. Maybe you want a chance to chase the sun in Florida because Michigan winters have broken your spirit one too many times. Whatever the reason is, it's always emotional. Moves are not always about money. They're about milestones, memories, and moments you haven't lived yet. And if you're thinking of investing in real estate, bravo, my friend. Come on. Rental income is a beautiful thing. It's money that shows up whether you're sipping margaritas in Cancun or binge watching Netflix in your pajamas. But, and it's a big but, know what you're getting into. Rentals are a business. Tenants don't just hand you rent checks and thank you notes. They call you at 2 a.m. about clogged toilets and missing light bulbs. So here's my advice. Before you plant your flag, know the terrain. Choose your kingdom wisely. Think about your next chapter, not just your next weekend, and make your moves boldly. The market right now, it's tight, inventory's low, but the right house for you isn't a maybe, it's out there, like a beacon calling you home. Are you planning a move? Which chapter are you stepping into? Wherever you are in your journey, if you need a steady guide to help you chart the course and sort the details, I'm ready to walk right along with you. When you're crystal clear on your why, and when you know not just what you're buying, but what you're building, success isn't a maybe, it's inevitable. I would encourage you to read my book, The Ultimate Mortgage Guide. It's on Amazon. Check this book out, and this will get you prepared for the journey that we're about to embark.